naman yun. Meron.
Panipani. Thank you, Ryan Bang. Okay, June. Eto na ang iyong katanungan. Bala kung gusto mo mag-English or would you like us to translate the question in English or you can understand the question in Filipino?
Not necessarily. I can understand Tagalog as well.
Okay. So, kapag sinali ka sa Olympics ng mga pangit, malulungkot ka ba kapag natalo ka? Kapag sinali ka sa Olympics ng mga pangit, malulungkot ka ba pag natalo ka? Go!
I believe hindi po ako malulungkot. I won't be sad. Rather, I would be happy. Embracing one's uniqueness is something that you should be proud of. And that the beauty within yourself is something that you should be proud of yourself. And is something that I should be proud of to the humanity. And something that I can give to the humanity as well. And I thank you.
Beauty queen.
Composed.
Hindi daw siya malulungkot.
Tama.
Ikaw, pag sinali ka sa Olympics sa mga pangit, malulungkot ka.
First